I think it's easy to assume that the Hero 9 Black is the latest and best GoPro on the market right now. But that doesn't mean that's the one that you really need. Do you really need 5K resolution? Probably not. So let's look at some of the GoPros that we recommend here at Projecttechgaming, and we'll help you find the right one. Let's do this. When purchasing any piece of technology, you always want to look at three things. What's my budget? What will I be using this for? And what features am I looking for? After you've answered those questions, you're able to decide much easier what you want to purchase. So let's get started with our list. Our first one on the list is the GoPro Hero 7 White. So first off, the price, right? The Hero 7 White is $195 on Amazon as of this recording. So it's very budget friendly considering what you get, but what are some of the key features? Well, it has 10 megapixels for photos, a 2-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatibility, records up to 1080p at 60 frames per second, waterproofing that lasts up to 10 meters, it has voice control, no GPS, and the battery life is between 1 to 3 hours depending on how you use it. So I'd say this is a great starter camera. I mean, if you've never owned a GoPro before and you want to understand how they work and just kind of learn the basics, this is a great starting point. Our next one on the list is the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. The Hero 7 Silver is just a few dollars more than the Hero 7 White at $199.99. However, it does shoot at 4K 30 frames per second. So now if you want to compare it to its predecessor, which is the GoPro Hero 7 Black, then you'll notice it's missing a few features. Keep in mind, the Silver is an older model, so it's not going to have all the bells and whistles you want from a newer model. Comparing it to the Black, the GoPro Silver lacks hyper-smooth stabilization. So if you're bike riding and going through rocky trails, it's going to cause a lot of shaking. With hyper-smooth stabilization, it helps prevent that shaky video and, well, it stabilizes your video, and honestly that's a huge deal, especially if you're buying a GoPro. The Silver also does not have removable batteries, so you won't be able to carry a spare when you need to. So all in all, this is a great value. However, if you want to step up your game just a little bit more for a couple bucks more, I would personally upgrade to the Black, which starts at $249.99. So the GoPro Hero 7 Black is the better value between the last two GoPros simply because it runs your videos at 4K 60 frames per second. And it also has the hyper smooth feature that we talked about earlier. So that helps with your videos looking sharp and stable when you're recording. You can bring down the resolution to 1080p and run your videos at 240 frames per second if you desire. The price starts at $249.99, making the Hero 7 Black one of the best GoPros yet. Next one on the list here is the GoPro Hero 8 Black. The key difference between the 2019's Hero 8 and the Hero 7 is Hero 8's built-in accessory mount and the ability to add mods such as media mods, display mods, and light mods. This allows you to customize your GoPro to your liking. These mods are an extra charge, of course, but it gives you the ability to upgrade your GoPro without purchasing a new one. What's neat about the Hero 8 is the difference between the frame rates, the option that you have between the frame rates. The only drawback is it doesn't have a front-facing screen, which is slightly disappointing. So for vloggers, it's really not a good GoPro to use, just simply because it doesn't have that front-facing camera. The cost of this is $299.99. And our last recommendation here is going to be the GoPro Hero 9 Black. It's the latest in the GoPro series and the superior one from its predecessors in almost every single way. But that also comes with a price. The Hero 9 Black is expensive. It comes at $399.99 on Amazon. This GoPro comes with a front-facing color LCD screen, great for vloggers. The resolution is also improved with a 20 megapixel camera and the capability of running 5K at 30 frames per second recordings. Again, not many people would really utilize that, but for those that are really into the high-tech gear, this is perfect for them. Now, like I said before, do we really need 5K resolution at this point? Probably not. But for those that do want the latest and greatest, this is the perfect one for them. It also includes a 2.27-inch screen, which is larger than the 8 Black, and Hypersmooth 3.0, which is what you expect. It's super smooth. The GoPro Hero 9 Black also adds the ability to add max lens mod accessories. So there's more ways to customize your GoPro in ways that you would prefer. It also includes a 360-degree horizon lock and ultra-wide 155 max super view mode, making this one of the most advanced piece of kit for a GoPro yet. So with so many GoPros to choose from, I hope this video helped you guys a lot and it helped you find the right one for you. If you found any value in this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow us on social media as well. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.